It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Hey there, the Auto Report enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the latest buzz surrounding Alfa Romeo's highly anticipated release, the Milano. Named after the city where Alfa Romeo was born in 1910, this sleek and electrifying SUV is set to make waves in the automotive world. Stick around as we unravel the details and let your imagination run wild with our exclusive sneak peek. Now let's talk about the Milano's debut. Scheduled for April 2024 in the iconic city of Milan, Italy, the Milano is slated to hit the streets in September. Initially, it will exclusively run on electrons, embracing the electric wave. However, hold your horses. A gas-powered variant, likely equipped with a 48-volt hybrid system, is set to join the lineup by November. This, my friends, marks the end of an era, as the Milano becomes the last new Alfa Romeo to feature an internal combustion engine. Priority number 1, Europe. Automotive news. Europe reports that the decision to bring the Milano to the United States is still up in the air. Alfa Romeo's CEO, Jean-Philippe Imperato, hints that the Milano is ready to conquer markets outside Europe if the demand is high enough. Imagine cruising through urban landscapes in this compact electric SUV. It's a vision that could soon become a reality. Now, let's get to the fun part, the visuals. While official images are still under wraps, we've teamed up with AI to bring you an exclusive glimpse into what the Alfa Romeo Milano might look like. Picture a front end with that classic Alfa Romeo aggression, boasting minimalist LED headlights and 2 upright lower bumpers, giving it a charming and modern appeal. The rear is equally captivating with its modern headlights and LED lighting, making the Milano a true attention grabber on the road. Size-wise, expect the Milano to rub shoulders with the likes of Jeep and Fiat, measuring between 160 and 164 inches in length with a wheelbase of around 100 inches. In the United States, there's not much competition in this segment, especially in the EV space. The Milano will be sharing the production line with its Stellantis siblings in Tychy, Poland, alongside the Jeep Avenger and Fiat 600e. Get ready for some power-packed options as electric and gas-fed variants, featuring a 54.0 kWh battery with a 250-mile range, are likely to roll off the assembly line. And now, the burning question. When can you get your hands on this electrifying beauty? The Milano is expected to hit the market this year with a starting price of $36,245. Stay tuned for more updates as we track the journey of Alfa Romeo's groundbreaking Milano. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Let's keep the excitement revved up. Until next time, happy driving.